welcome back to my channel. Today's video, continuing with my eyeshadow collection, is more of like my random eyeshadows, singles, liquid shadows, glitters. I don't really know what I'm going to title this yet, but if you guys want to see this collection, then keep watching. Okay, so this drawer is pretty much some eye primers, glitters, random shadows, ColourPop shadows, and stuff like that. It's really random, so I'm just going to go through like each little separator to make life a little easier. So we'll start off with this one right here, and this is a lot of primers and glitters. So we'll start out with the glitters. So first we have this NYX glitter in, their names are on here. I said their names weren't on here when I hauled them, and I found them like after Style Star, which is a really pretty like, oh, this has a sifter. I haven't played with these yet, but this is just like a really pretty black glitter. Then we have this JCat Rockin' the Night sparkling powder in Champagne Kiss. It's just a really pretty champagne color. Next we have another NYX one in Beauty Beam, which is a really pretty like iridescent pinky purple shadow or glitter. I haven't played with any of the NYX ones. I have played with all of the JCat ones though, and I really like them. I haven't played with this JCat one though, I just realized. This is in Gingerbread Sugar. It's a really pretty like brown shade. I really liked it. I don't know why I picked it. I just liked the color a lot. Then we have the NYX glitter in Lumi-Lite, which is just a really pretty iridescent shade. I just, again, had to get it. And then the last JCat glitter is in Gatsby's Party, which is this really pretty gold. Again, had to get it. It's beautiful. And then to apply all the glitters, I just use this NYX Glitter Glue because I just felt like a lot of people talked about that. That's why I picked it up. Now I have this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I actually put this underneath my foundations, and I don't know why it's in this drawer. So we're going to move it to its rightful home, which is the foundation drawer. I'm unorganized. Next are some like liquid eyeshadows, I guess you would call them. First we have this e.l.f. This is a Molten liquid eyeshadow or something like that. And this is in Brushed Copper. This is just a really pretty color. I absolutely love this. I like using this sometimes as a base for glittery shades. It's so pretty, and it lasts a long time as well in the eyes. Then we have this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. This I think is supposed to be like a liquid highlighter for your face, but the glitter is so chunky. So I decided it would be best as a eyeshadow because again, it was just too chunky. And this is what it looks like right here. It's just a nice champagne-y kind of color. And then the last one is this Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome in the shade green. I don't know what shade this is. Oh, Electric Emerald. And I use this for a Christmas tutorial, and I haven't used it since. So there's that. But this is it right here. It's really pretty. So I really should probably start using it a little bit more. Next I have two NYX roll-on glitters, and this green one is in Green Vert. I love this. I think it's such a pretty color. I don't use these a lot as well. I just don't like them because there's a lot of fallout. And then this one's just literally called Purple. I've used both of these. I got them both for Vlogmas like a couple years ago when I first did Vlogmas. So there's that. Now onto eyeshadow primers. I have a lot. First is the Makeup Revolution Eye Primer. I really like this. I love how it just makes my eyeshadow last all day, and I like that it has the doe foot applicator. I just think when primers have this, it makes it easier to use and you're not using too much. Then we have the e.l.f. Mineral Eyeshadow Primer. This one was okay. I again really like the packaging. This is empty. Why do I always do this? Like I keep things, and I'm a hoarder. Then I have 3 Urban Decay primer potions. I have 2 of the original, and then this one is in, I think it's called Sin. Yes, Sin, and it's a gold one. I bought this by mistake, but I really like Sin to put underneath shimmery eyeshadows again, or I'll mix it with my foundation. And this is Sin right here. It's so pretty. I'll mix it with foundation so I can get that really dewy, glowy look, because who doesn't want to look like a disco ball? Now moving on to some random eyeshadows that I apparently just can't part with. First, I have this e.l.f. one with some pinks and purples in it. I don't think I've ever used this, so I should probably reevaluate my makeup collection and throw this away because I don't think I'll ever use it. Then I have this e.l.f. shimmer eyeshadow, which again, I don't think I've ever used, but the colors are really pretty. It's like a brown and like a gray-y color. Then I have this e.l.f. Flawless eyeshadow. I actually did a tutorial with this forever ago. And this is one of those palettes where it has like base lead crease, blah, 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 blah. And it's pretty. The shadows are pretty. I really like the purple, so that's probably why I don't want to get rid of it, because of the purple. Then I have this Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in Lust from Five Below for $2.49. That's a steal. The shadows are really pretty. I haven't played with this either, but I probably again saved it because it's all purples and I really love purple shades. And then this palette, I know exactly what this is. This is from 17 magazine when they used to send out makeup with the eyeshadow, with the makeup bag and all that stuff. Yep, and it is destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. But I've used this thing up and I can't part with it because I used to use it every day for high school. When I was in high school, I mean. Next we have this eyeshadow duo from e.l.f. It's just a brown and a brown. Yeah, I don't know why I have this either. I really like the matte brown though, so that's probably why I saved it. Next are two Ulta like little eyeshadows. This first one is a duo and they're glitter top coats in High Maintenance and Gold Digger. I love both of these. High Maintenance is one of my favorite shades ever, so that's just, yeah. And then I have this Ulta Quad in Iceland, Peacock, Moonbeam, and Sapphire. I don't know which way those are labeled, but the shadows are really pretty. I like all the blues in it, so that's just why I saved it. And these are just blue shades that I don't have. Then I have this Flirt eyeshadow in the shade Denim, which Denim Flash actually, and I don't think I've ever really used this, but the shadow is really pretty. This is from Kohl's from years ago, so I'll use this more. Then this is all dried out. I don't really know. This was like one of my first eyeshadow products, and this is in the shade Snow Angel. I used to put this in my inner corner all the time when I was in high school, and it's so pretty. It's like, not a liquid, but it's really pretty. I don't know how to describe it. But it's so pretty, and I hit pan. I just hit pan. Next is this single shadow, and I don't even know the brand. Maybe Jordana. Oh, it is Jordana. In Pink Ice. It's just a really pretty pinky shade that I should probably use more. Then I have these three random things. This is some shimmer eyeshadow. Don't even know where it's from. Can't tell you. Then this is probably so old. This is from Prestige Cosmetics. These are like those old like sponge things, and then you put it on like this. Ew, I don't even know. My mom probably gave it to me. I don't like the color at all, so I'm just gonna throw it away. And then this, we don't know what you are. Oh, this is like a mousse. This is weird. It's so sticky, and it's like this really pretty purple color though, but it like gets in the creases of your eyes. I think I wore this once, and a kid at school told me my makeup looked crusty and ugly, and I looked hideous. So reasons why I love school, to be told I looked ugly like multiple times. Next up is a bunch of ColourPop shadows and just randomness. So we're gonna start off with my Stila Glitter and Glows. I'm not gonna swatch them all because we'll be here all day. But first we have Peachy Sheen, one of my faves. That one is a, where are you? Glitter and Glow. Then we have Next to Note, which is this really pretty red. I have not played with this one yet, and I want to. And this is a Glitter and Glow as well. I think there's 3 Glitter and Glows and 3 Magnificent Metals. So yeah. Next is another Glitter and Glow, and this is in Kitten. So pretty. Then I think the rest are all metallic. Oh no, they're all Glitter and Glows. Why do I think they're all different names and they're literally not? Oh, this is a Shimmer and Glow. And this is in Twig, which is like a really pretty brownie shade. And then this one again is a Shimmer and Glow. And this is in Grace, again, beautiful. And then we have a Glitter and Glow in Smoldering Satin. Again, beautiful. Then I have all these like e.l.f. duos that I got for spending a lot of money at the e.l.f. store. So this first one is just like a matte. They all have a matte on one side and a shimmer on the other. So this is a matte black with a silver. Then we have a gray, matte gray with a blue. Then this is a two matte. So this is a matte gray and a matte purple. Then there's two shimmers, a green and a purple. So you can probably pair these two together, was my thinking. And then there's this matte gray again with like a gold, pink and purple, which I've used in a tutorial, and then like a nude shade with a glitter, which again I've used in a tutorial as well. So if you want to see any tutorials using the duos, let me know in the comments because I will gladly use them. I haven't really used them that much because I don't really reach for them often. Now we have all my ColourPop shadows, which I need more of. So first we have Revolutin, which is a really pretty pinky purple. Then we have Dare, which is this really, really pretty purple. Then we have Millionaire, which is a really pretty golden shade. Then we have Sequin, which is a gorgeous rose gold. And Drift, which is really dirty, but it's a really pretty cranberry shade. And last but not least, I have two Urban Decay shadows. The first is Lounge, and this is one of my favorite shadows of all time. It is green and red, and oh, like look at that. And then we have Solstice, which is another one of my favorites, and this is like pink and red and blue and green, and it's so pretty. Like, look. So this is Solstice, and then this is Lounge, and they're two of my favorites. Two of my faves. So that is it for my glitter and I guess single eyeshadow drawer. We'll call it that, glitter and single eyeshadow drawer. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!